So there's some famous words that go to God with double M, and that is command. Okay. Every command. So remember, MM equals God, and so what would happen? Yeah, if you pluralize it. 15, 15, 33 plus 20. Ooh. So commands is going to be God, the I am. You know, we talk about the 10. God is the commander. That's the 42. Amazing. Yeah, commander equals holy God, equals pure God. We talked about that one earlier. And then if you pushed it higher to the 10 commandments, I believe that's the largest word, or commandeering. Ents, we know, equals Father. That equals life in there. 15, yeah, there's life. So you have God, life, Father, some of the big titles there. Overall, yeah, commandments would parallel God. Mathematically, you have 18 plus 18, 36. You have great. 90. Oh my gosh. 108. Commandments equals worship God. Double love. Double love. Amazing. Commandments. Isn't that amazing? You know, and we know that the commandments are to love God, and worship is double love. But walk through this with me. There's a lot to point out. We know the Father gets the last word. That's ents. And there's a lot of gold, but here's our double M, which equals God. And then if you add up the rest, you get the famous 108, which equals worship. Okay. And again, if you do a letter for letter comparison and find the two loves, mathematically you'll be amazed, okay, at what you see. Okay. So I can easily, very quickly, find the double love. I can take the STO at the center of history, or I can take the famous STAN, like that. There's love number 1, the rest is love number 2. Composed of triple 18, no less. Like, it's very glaring, and worship is easily splittable into double love. Like, very easy. Okay, so there's my take on the word commandments for the personal names of God. Okay, we know that Father gets the last word. This equals Father. We've talked about that many times. But we're really hot on the double M, which equals God. Genius. And so if you talk about the 10 commandments, what's amazing is that all these front words divide by 3, just like this offset here, so it just keeps glorifying God. In fact, that would probably put the MM at the dead center, because now you have 8 letters right here. And you, oh my God, yes you do. When you talk about the 10 commandments, that puts God at the dead center. See? That's huge. The 10 commandments. Well, not like that, like this. But who's at the dead center of the 10 commandments? Well, clearly God is, because you have exactly 8 letters on the left, and you have exactly 8 letters on the right. Everybody say exact. Perfect. Okay. And so overall, this is pure threes. This is 3 divides by 3. This divides by 3. Both letters divide by 3. All of this hook up here knits together to divide by 3. You got lots. You got equal plus 1s and plus 2s, I believe. ST can get married. MN can get married. DE can get married. Yeah, you have equal plus 1s and plus 2s. This is an obvious marriage fest of 3s. In fact, the ending is pure plus 1s and plus 2s, 4 of each category. This is 3 plus 2s, 3, which therefore divide. This is 3 plus 2s, 3 plus 2s, 2 letters that divide by 3, even plus 1s and plus 2s. That makes pure 3. So all shining stardom is on this double M at the dead center, which equals God. Done. The 10 commandments equals God plus a giant ocean of 3s. Remember I told you it's all offsets of 3s, so well, we already had the 108 here, and then you add this 72, that equals holy, holy, holy. Very famous number, that 180. So the 10 commandments equals holy, 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 triple 60, God. I'll bet you can find the 360s. I'll bet you with a little bit of patience.